Welcome! In front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so home screen is already open and visible on my screen. Once that is the case for you, meaning the content that you wish to capture is open and visible to you, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have the sound along with the pop-up right here, which allows you to capture a scrollable screenshot, edit, and share. After a moment, this should disappear. There we go. And once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application by going into the library, and here we have Screenshots album. And in that album, you'll find strictly screenshots. And here's the one that I have just captured a moment ago. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.